Hello guys, today I want to share with you some craft work I made using my Gingerbread Sparkling Fairy. I printed two fairies here, as you see, and I'm using this little one. I'm going to do a greeting card and a gift package. For the greeting card, I'm using simple cardboard, a brown cardboard, and a little piece of beige cardboard, as you see. So, for this little piece of cardboard, the beige cardboard, I'm going to write some words to make a fun background for our fairy. So I'm going to write gingerbread in several languages, like the pan di zenzero in Italian, gingerbread, biscoito di gengibre in Portuguese, and galleta di jengibre in Spanish. So those words are going to make a little fun background for this fairy. With some distress ink, I'm going to make some spots, not like vintage style. I'm going to make those round spots, like to remember those baking paper with some burned spots. I guess when we see this kind of burnt spots, we can almost feel the scent of the gingerbread biscuits or cookies. With a fine liner, a brown fine liner, I'm going to make some arabesques here with some foliage to decorate the paper, as I made in the fairy. You can see the fairy hair, her updo is full of these arabesques. So I thought about making this here, and after that I thought about make some red spots like those little fruits, Christmas fruits, and make a little gingerbread fella, gingerbread biscuit, and I show here how I draw it. Simple. The shape is really simple. The head, the arms, and the legs. And with a white gel pen, we made these details. Yes. Looks like a real icing, no? It doesn't. You can make this really like handmade. It has to look like a handmade cookie. Let's continue with our greeting card. So we can glue it together, everything together here. I'm going to use sticky glue. And glue it here. It's really easy, isn't it? And I'm going to use two little gingerbread characters. Yes, one here and one in the opposite angle. Yes, here. In the middle, I'm going to glue the little gingerbread fairy, like this. And for the last detail, a little brown bow with a piece of brown ribbon with some white glue. Like this. So the greeting card is ready. Now we're going to do the packaging, the gift packaging. Here I'm going to use a cardboard 34 by 24 centimeters, and I divide 12 for 12 for 2 and 21 high and 3. Those are the measures I used, and you can use your own measures or use a packaging you already have ready available for you. I use a scoreboard to fold the measures here. Well, after we have the packaging already cut, now I'm cutting the bottom of the packaging. It's not a tutorial, it's really an inspiration or some suggestions for you. We have to decorate this paper. I'm going to do the same technique I used in the greeting card. I'm going to use markers, and after that the distress ink. Now with a little darker marker, I'm going to write the same words I wrote in the greeting card. You can write a letter to Santa Claus, or you can write a message to the person you will give the gift, and with a little natural calligraphy. Don't worry about being perfect or being, I don't know, perfect, beautiful. I don't know, I think in this case the beauty is the atmosphere we can create with this packaging. Now with the distress ink, I'm making the spots the same way I made in the green card. I just love this effect, this burnt baking sheet. Those spots are beautiful, really beautiful. You can scan this and use as wrapping paper, using decoration, Christmas decoration, I don't know. Now the arabesques. You can ask for the children to help you. It's really amazing seeing children drawing Christmas illustrations and use it as a decor paper. Sometimes we don't want to buy ready papers, scrapbook papers, or we don't have money for it, or you want to create something, give something made with our hands on, with your creativity, and this is really a great exercise for it. I hope this inspires you. The little red fruits, it's just spots. The colors here are really important to those creations. Now I decorate. Now I have to to glue the package. As I said before, you can use a supermarket package, you can use a box, a cardboard box, I don't know, the package you have available at your home. You can decorate it and transform this into a really interesting gift box, a gift package. Recycle is really important. But if you want to create everything from the beginning, I'm showing you it's not that difficult. Now I'm going to use a little more distressing here. Yes. And now I have to close the bottom of this package. Yes, I'm checking the form, the shape is okay. Now this kind of package is only closed with glue on the bottom. The upside we have to use a little bow. I'm going to show you later. Now with stick glue, it's really easy this. I'm going to close. Imagine you can put some cookies here. Some gingerbread cookies or Christmas sweets, candies. We can, I don't know, any gift you want to do, to make. Now I'm going to glue the fairy or the princess and the two characters with her. You can give the greeting card and this package together. A really beautiful gingerbread combo, gift combo. We have to fold this like I'm doing here, the side, the package, only on the upside, like this. But the straight line disturbs me. Look, I cut this with the shape of the hair. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Now I'm going to make a hole here to insert the ribbon, to make a really beautiful bow with this sun shape. I'm going to make this hole like this, and with a brown ribbon I'm going to do this with the brown. Look, when we do this, the ribbon is like more easier to give a shape, to look this bow, really beautiful. Some vintage style, some shabby style, I don't know. I love it. So this is the packaging with my gingerbread fairy. So guys, those are my suggestions for this fairy, the gingerbread fairy. I hope you like it. I hope this is a little inspiration for you. If you want to see more, you can visit my Facebook page by Marcelo or my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. And as I always say, see you in the next video and the next project. Bye bye!